And so what is the one psychological test that correlates with success in life? And I found out that it's the marshmallow test.
They take these kids into a room, they put a marshmallow in front of them, they say you can eat it now, or you can not eat it, and when I come back in 15 minutes, you can have 2.
It smells really good.
They found that 2/3 of kids cannot pass this test, but they're responding to this hormone in their body called ghrelin, and it's actually a really weak hormone. It is so weak compared to cortisol and these other things that flood your body during moments of market panic. So, but they found that the 1/3 of the kids that could delay gratification had higher test scores. They had greater achievement in life because they could not respond to the ghrelin hormone. They could delay gratification. And so delaying your gratification and not grabbing for marshmallows in the market. So when the market is overpriced, don't go out and just because your friend made some money last week, get jealous and go invest. Don't do that. Resist the marshmallow. You can do it. Because if you can just wait for the next correction, you can have 2. And 2 is better than 1.
The question of how long we wait indefinitely. We are not going to buy anything just to buy something. We will only buy something if we think we're getting something attractive.
Hi, it's Lauren Templeton. It's a beautiful day in Tennessee, and I'm sitting here enjoying my new copy of Value Investing Simplified by Cayden Chang. It's a great book. I hope you pick up a copy and enjoy it yourself.